Hi, Sheena here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, I just want to say maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe na at saka sa mga mag-subscribe pa lamang. Maraming salamat po. So today, I just want to show you guys how I decorated our living room with crystal theme decors that I accumulated over the years from either 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. But just few these decors are from different store and I'll list them down below so you'll know which one are they or where are they from. Thank you for tuning in to the end. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a like, comment down below what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!